इस लेक्चर में हम टीएफआर 2025 का पेपर सोल्यूशन को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो पहला जो क्वेश्चन है, कंसीडर ए ट्रायंगल ऑन द सरफेस स्फीयर रेडियस 1 जॉइनिंग बाय द पॉइंट 3 पॉइंट आपका गिवन है विद द आर्क ऑफ द ग्रेट सर्कल। द एरिया सबटेंडेड by the triangle on the surface is given by in the drawing figure may help you. So the area of the circle जो आपका होती है the area of the A of a spherical triangle on a sphere of radius r equal to जो आपका होगा r square e, ये जो आपका होती है the area A of a spherical triangle on a sphere of radius r is where E is the spherical E equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma minus pi, where alpha beta gamma are the angle of the spherical triangle, where and alpha beta gamma are the interior angles of the spherical triangle. जो आपका रेडियन में गिवन है। सो ए इक्वल टू अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा माइनस पाई। नाउ ए इक्वल टू 1/2 रूट 3/2 0, बी इक्वल टू माइनस 1/2 रूट 3/2 0, सी इक्वल टू 0 0 1. So CA equal to distance between CA equal to A minus C equal to जो आपका गिवन होगा 1/2 रूट 3/2 minus 1, and CB equal to B minus C equal to minus 1/2 root under 3/2 minus 1. So CA डॉट CB इक्वल टू जो आपका होगा 1/2 इंटू माइनस 1/2 प्लस रूट 3/2 प्लस माइनस 1 तो आपका होगा 3/2. सो मॉड CA इक्वल टू जो आपका होगा रूट अंडर ऑफ 1/2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस रूट अंडर 3/2 तरह होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 तरह होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू रूट 2, एंड मॉड CB जो आपका होगा रूट अंडर माइनस 1/2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस रूट 3/2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू रूट 2. सो कॉस गामा इक्वल टू CA वेक्टर डॉट CB वेक्टर मॉड CB वेक्टर इक्वल टू जो आपका 3/2 रूट 2 इक्वल टू 3/4. सो गामा इक्वल टू cos इनवर्स 3/4. So we have E equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma minus pi, and alpha equal to beta and gamma equal to cos inverse 3/4. So we have A equal to 3 cos inverse cos of S divided cos of S/2 minus pi, where S is the side of the equilateral spherical triangle, where S is the side equal to जो आपका होगा pi/3, where S equal to side of equilateral spherical triangle. isosceles triangle. ठीक, this is 5/3. Now question number 2. Question number 2, figure A आपका given a rectangular pentagon, solid black circle on its the vertices present of the point charge with the charge minus q. There is no charge at the position of the circular radius measured at the from the origin place at the center of the pentagon. The electric field O given by. So E missing. So E missing equal to total electric field is given by Q divided 4 pi epsilon naught R vector divided R cube. So E missing equal to minus of E vector equal to minus of Q divided 4 pi epsilon naught R vector divided R cube. This is the answer. Now question number 3. Question number 3 जो given a 2-dimensional low temperature does the specific heat as a given by 2-dimensional solid crystal low temperature limit. Epsilon is the energy per unit area. So C is given by So C is given by 2-dimensional by the trick C radius T to the power D by S. Okay. Dimension D equal to 2 and S equal to 1. So C radius T square. ट्रिक्स से मतलब में ऐसा है और आप ऐसे भी निकल सकते हैं जो आपका जी ऑफ ओमेगा जहाँ पर हो सकती है आपका अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ओमेगा हो सकती है एवं एप्सिलॉन जो आपका होगा इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू ओमेगा डी एच का ओमेगा जी ऑफ ओमेगा एन ऑफ ओमेगा डी ओमेगा एंड एन ऑफ ओमेगा जो आपका होगा इक्वल टू 1/2 एच का ओमेगा डिवाइडेड के टी -1 एंड एप्सिलॉन जो आपका होगा 0 टू इन्फिनिट एच का ओमेगा ओमेगा डिवाइडेड ई टू द पावर एच का ओमेगा बाई के टी -1 डी ओमेगा एंड एक्स जो आपका होगा एच का ओमेगा डिवाइडेड होच्छे के टी एप्सिलॉन इक्वल टू के टी होल क्यूब 0 टू इन्फिनिट एक्स स्क्वायर ई टू द पावर एक्स -1 डी एक्स. So epsilon approximately t cube. So C equal to d epsilon by dt. So C approximately t square. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4. In a figure, question number 4. The figure below, a rocket, a red arrow launches from the earth, which is now at a point A. Earth gravitational field is negligible. The rocket thrusted have a stop in the rest frame of the sun. The velocity of the rocket F, same of the magnitude opposite direction of the earth. Then what will be the point which is the following statement is correct? So इसका जो statement correct, the rocket will move exactly earth elliptical orbit, showing that in figure eventually collide with the earth. That's not correct. This is option correct because of the Newton's third law. Now question number 5. Question number 5 to given a water is flowing out the small horizontal opening area A, tank height H. The flow of the laminar flow under the influence of the gravity. What is the area A prime? Steam transfers to the fluid velocity height H below the opening, namely the atmospheric pressure, dissipation effect and thickness of the steam negligible H is so we have Q equal to AV equal to A prime V prime. Now from the Bernoulli's principle, P1 plus 1 by 2 rho V square plus rho GH equal to P2 plus 1 by 2 rho V prime whole square rho G H minus H. So P1 equal to P2. So V square by 2 plus GH equal to 1 by 2 V prime whole square plus G H minus H. So V prime whole square equal to V square plus 2GH. So V equal to under 2GH. So V prime whole square equal to 2GH plus 2GH equal to 2GH plus small h. So A prime equal to A V divided V prime. So A root under 2GH divided root under 2GH plus small h equal to A root under H divided H plus small h. Option is correct. Question number 6. Question number 6 job का given है. A small metallic wire with the mass m and the electric are bent into the closed square loop area is passed through the region or length L greater than A with the material B jet cap initial velocity V naught x cap square enum. It has with the image of the row. What is with the final velocity of the completely? So force equal to F equal to I L cross B vector. ये आपका फोर्स गिवन होती है एंड एप्सिलॉन इक्वल टू माइनस डी फाई बाई डी टी इंड्यूस ईएमएफ और फाई जो आपका गिवन है बी ए एक्स. सो एप्सिलॉन इक्वल टू माइनस बी ए डी एक्स बाई डी टी इक्वल टू माइनस बी ए वी. सो आई इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन बाई आर इक्वल टू माइनस बी ए वी डिवाइडेड आर. सो एफ इक्वल टू I L cross B vector. So F equal to I A B. So F net equal to minus 2 I A B and I equal to minus B A B divided R. So F net equal to minus 2 minus B A B divided R into A B. So 2 B square A square V divided R. So that is given by F equal to dV by dt m dV by dt equal to minus 2 B square A square V divided R. So dV by V equal to minus 2 B square A square V divided m R dt. So V equal to V naught to the power minus 2 B square A square L by m r v naught, where t equal to L by v naught. So this is option is correct. So this is given by. So this is the correct option. Now question number 7. Question number 7. The total output is given by y equal to AC plus BA plus BC. This is the total output. So A equal to given by 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, B given by 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, C given by 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so the bit position 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 0, this is 0 0 0, this is 0 0 1 0, this is 0 1 0 0, this is 0 1 1 1, this is 1 0 0 0, this is 1 0 1 1, this is 1 1 0 1, this is 1 1 1. So y is given by this, y equal to 0 0 0, y equal to 0 0 0 1 0 8 1 1 1. This option is correct. Question number 8. Question number 8 जो आपका गिवन है, consider a stationary electron uniform time independent magnetic field of the strength B0 by 4 z cap Hamiltonian आपका गिवन है. तो इसको spin operator for operators electron, the initial electron spin oriented by the x-axis spin precession of the frequency. So H equal to minus E by M S vector dot B vector, and B equal to B0 by 4 z cap. So H equal to minus E by M S V0 by 4 z cap equal to minus E V0 divided 4M SZ. So delta E equal to mod minus of E V divided 4M H car by 2 EV divided 4M H car by 2 minus EV0 divided 4M minus H car by 2 equal to E B0 H car divided 4M. So omega equal to mod E B0 divided 4M. This is the answer. Question number 9. Question number, consider the following space diagram which indicates the three vector A, B, C. This is the A, B, C position. Which of the following statement is true? B is, this is time-like, this is space-like, and this is space-like. Always A and B simultaneously, this always possible. Initial A and B are simultaneous, however no observer can found that A and C simultaneously. This is true. This is simultaneously found, but this is not. Question number 10. A massless rod length L is suspended from initial spring constant K1 NP and the hinge from the other end Q. The rest of the length of the spring is 0. M is the mass suspended from the midpoint of the rod. The result of the drilling is given. So x equal to जो आपका given is L sin theta and F is जो आपका given है KL sin theta. F equal to kx and tau of the weight, the torque at the weight equal to जो आपका given है mg L by 2 cos theta and tau spring जो आपका given है FSL cos theta equal to KL sin theta L cos theta equal to K L square sin theta cos theta. So mg L by 2 cos theta equal to K L square sin theta cos theta. So mg L by 2 cos theta equal to K L square sin theta cos theta equal to mg L by 2 equal to K L square sin theta. So theta equal to sin inverse mg by 2kl. This is the correct option. Now question number 11. There is open window of the dimension 1 cross n on the north facing wall. 9 am, sun shining through the window, illuminate with the certain part floor of the house. What is the area of the illuminated by the sun? Assume the rise 6 am directly overhead to the 12 moon. Okay. So A equal to the area equal to window area into cos 45 degree equal to 1 meter square into 1 by root 2 equal to 1 by root 2 meter square. This is angle is cos 48 degree. This is 48 degree. Total window area cos 48 degree. ठीक है. Now question number 12. Question number 12. One dimensional harmonic oscillator T equal to 0 particle is given by the expression value of the position momentum and the time evolution operator. So 0 x 0 equal to 0. Expression value of the P is given by 0. Now H is given by P square by 2m plus 1 by 2 m omega square x square, and d by dt of x of t equal to 1 by I h can x of t comma h, and d by dt p of t equal to 1 by I h can p of t comma h. So x of t equal to x naught of t cos of omega t plus p naught of m omega sin omega t, and p of t equal to p naught cos omega t minus m omega x naught of omega sin of omega t. At t equal to 0, we have x of t equal to 0 and p of t equal to 0. So option is correct. Now question number 13. Consider two ideal gas A and B, atomic number Ma Mb, which is the Ma greater than Mb. Two gases same number of mole, kept at the same temperature, confined in the container, same volume. Which of the gases exerts the more pressure molecule, which is the gas of the higher RMS momentum? So P equal to N RT by V, and PA equal to PV, and P RMS equal to M VRMS, and VRMS equal to under 3 kT by M, and PRMS equal to M into under 3 kT by M equal to under 3 kmt. So P RMS comma A equal to under 3 ma kT, and P RMS comma B equal to under 3 mv kT. So P RMS comma A, P RMS comma B. So ma greater than mb. So option A is correct. Now question number 14. For a given measurement particle counter 10-minute data collector resultant statistical uncertainty 2.5%, how much of the addition time must be allocated reduced to the statistical 0.5? So sigma equal to given by root under n. So percentage uncertainty equal to sigma by n into 100% equal to 1 by root under n into 100%. And initial percentage given by the initial percentage is 2.5%. So 2.5% equal to 1 by root under n 1 into 100. So 1 by root under n1 equal to 0.025. So root under n1 equal to 40. So n1 equal to 1600. And the desired percentage is 0.5%. So we have 0.5 equal to 1 by root under n2 into 100. So n2 equal to 40000, and rate given by 160 divided 10 equal to 160 count per minute, and t equal to 4600 into divided the rate 160 equal to 250 minute. So additional time additive time equal to 250 minus 10 equal to 240 minute. This is the answer. Question number 15. Laser light is incident normally on a thin film material with the refractive index Ns larger than that of the air. In a wavelength of the laser variant of the intensity transmitted through the film, so the peak at nanometer is the thickness of the film 180 nanometer. Minimum Ns is closest to. So 2 Ns d equal to n lambda. So Ns equal to m lambda divided 2d equal to 1.633 nanometer divided 2.2 into 118 nanometer. So this is given by n is equal to 2.68. Now question number 16. We have tan inverse y equal to 4 mod y less than 1. So tan inverse y equal to y plus y cube divided 3 plus y to the power 5 divided 5 plus y to the power 7 divided 7. So y equal to 1 by x. So tan inverse 1 by x equal to 1 by x plus 3 divided 1 divided 3x square plus 1 divided 5x cube 3x cube 5x to the power 5 plus 1 divided 7x to the power 7, just so on. Then this is tan hyperbolic. Then x tan hyperbolic inverse of 1 by x equal to 1 plus 1 by 3x square plus 1 by 5x to the power 4 plus 1 by 7x to the power 6 and so on. So this is option is correct. So ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा tan inverse hyperbolic of y equal to this is given by this is y plus y cube by 3 y to the power 5 y to the power 5 by 5 y to the power 7 by 7. Question number 7. N cross n matrix n greater than equal to 1 matrix M. The n pair has equal to. So this is the precisely h minus 1 degenerate eigenvalue, one other is non-degenerate eigenvalue. So this is which equal to 1. So trace of m, this is m given by m equal to 1. This is n cross n. So trace of m equal to n. So the matrix M has the matrix M is a rank one matrix because all its row are linearly dependent. The eigenvalue is rank minus 1. The eigenvalue of a rank minus 1 matrix so the non-zero eigenvalue equal to the trace of the matrix, so n minus 1 0 eigenvalue and lambda 1 equal to n non-degenerate and n minus 1 eigenvalue equal to lambda 2 equal to lambda 3 equal to lambda n equal to 0. This is degenerate. So option A is correct. Now question number 18. Question number 18. A spaceship is moving with the constant relativistic velocity v equal to x cap with the initial frame f prime. F moving with the spaceship initial limit emitted from the sources directed from the something in h y cap and the frame s prime is given by. So in the f t equal to h by c and t prime equal to gamma t plus v x prime by c square, where gamma equal to 1 by root under 1 minus v square upon c square and delta x equal to 0, delta y equal to h and delta t equal to h by c. In a prime, t prime equal to root under h square plus v t prime whole square divided c and t prime whole square equal to h square divided c square plus v square divided c square t prime whole square. So t prime whole square 1 minus v square upon c square equal to a square divided c square and t prime whole square equal to a square by c square 1 minus v square upon c square. So t prime equal to h by c into gamma equal to h by c root under 1 minus v square upon c square. So this option is correct. Question number 19. Question number 19. V in given आपका है, V out given है, so mod A आपका क्या होगा? So h of f equal to, so A equal to V out divided V in equal to j 2 pi f rc divided 1 plus j 2 pi f rc. So mod A equal to mod j 2 pi f rc divided 1 plus j 2 pi f rc. This is given by. So we have So we have 2 pi RFC divided 1 plus 2 pi RFC root under whole square equal to mod A equal to 1 by divided root under 1 plus 1 divided 2 pi f rc whole square. This option is correct. Now question number 20. ये सर्किट ऑफ द ऑप एम्प आपका गिवन है, तो इसका जो आंसर होगा, जो आपका सेफ है, जो आपका आंसर होगा, ये ऑप्शन आपका करेक्ट होगा. दिस इज V in, this is V in, this is V output. So we have V in, V output, this is output, this is V in, this is V in, virtual short circuit, this is, then this shape are saturated. Question number 21. A light beam, light in a medium with the electric permeability epsilon, magnetic permeability mu given by epsilon prime and mu prime. Incident angle I given है आपका E, the electric linearly polarized plane shown in figure. Magnetic field Z cap with the following is correct option. So इसके लिए आपको the एंड NBD रूल आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. दिस नॉर्मल कंपोनेंट B and D इस टेंजेंशियल कंपोनेंट H है नहीं, continuous. So E t comma 1 equal to E t comma 2 and D n comma 1 equal to D n comma 2 and H t comma 1 equal to H t comma 2 and B n comma 1 equal to B n comma 2. This is and this is the NBD. So we check the option E equal to cos I minus E double prime cos I equal to E prime cos R and epsilon E sin I plus E double prime sin I equal to epsilon prime E prime sin R equal to mu B plus B double prime equal to mu prime B prime. So we have correct boundary condition is, which of the following is the correct boundary condition on the field? This is the correct boundary condition. So epsilon E sin I plus E double prime sin I plus epsilon prime E prime sin R. This is the correct boundary condition. The tangential component of the electric field. This is the D dn1 equal to dn2. This is the correct boundary condition. Now question of experimental setup. Need to the experiment to the zero magnetic field, minimize the earth magnetic field can be achieved. So option A आपका correct होगा, keeping the setup place completely covered with the sheet of the metal of very high magnetic permeability. Now question number 23. Question 23 आपका जो कि मैंने two type of particle A and B, same mass but distinguished by the internal degrees of freedom. Area of the ideal gas V and T contain X2n A type and AY A type. This particle which is the following is true. So P आपका जो given है, P जो आपका given है, P equal to n kt divided V. So Px आपका जो होगा 2n kt by V and Py जो होगा 2n kt by V. So Px equal to Py. Ny equal to n plus n equal to 2n. Nx equal to 2n. So S equal to this is Px equal to Py. So S equal to nk ln V by n जो आपका एंट्रोपी होती है आइडियल गैस का ln 2 pi m kt a square plus 5/2. So Sy greater than Sx. So for the S particle this is condition. So आपका जो आंसर होगा ऑप्शन होगा करेक्ट होगा. प्रेशर आपका सेम होगा एक्स वाई का, मगर एंट्रोपी वाई का ज़्यादा होगा. Question number 24. Question 24. A negative charge minus q move with the circular orbit non-relativistic speed v. Positive charge magnetic field in the given center circular orbit to the negative charge v1. Consider the another situation where the negative charge minus 2q circular orbit the same relation then v2 with the v1. तो आपका क्या होगा? So b जो आपका given है mu naught qv divided 2r. For minus q b1 equal to minus mu naught qv divided 2r. And b1 magnitude जो आपका होगा mu qv divided 2r. And for b2 magnitude जो आपका होगा mu naught 2 qv negative of 2r equal to जो आपका होगा mu naught qv divided r. So b2 divided b1 equal to mu naught qv divided r divided mu naught qv divided 2r equal to 2. Option C आपका करेक्ट होगा. No, question number 25. Question number 25. Question number 25 जो आपका गिवन है, consider a blade of the rotating with the frequency m Here it is, if the periodically block, it is the periodical block of the light beam intensity I naught given by has a small cross section area hits the blade near the outer edge shown in figure. So इसका जो F ब्लॉक जो आपका होगा N इंटू F होगा, F ब्लॉक इक्वल टू N इंटू F and I equal to 0 for unblocks and I equal to I naught tends to F block. So I of t equal to I naught 1 by 2 plus summation n equal to 135 4 by pi n sine of 2 pi n F block into t. So V of t equal to V naught 1 by 2 plus summation n equal to 135 odd term 4 by pi n sine of 2 pi n A block into t. So if F block equal to 2F, so this is the correct. Hello, question number B1. जो आपका गिवन है N L M आपका गिवन है, देन द मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो आपका होगा, सो 2 0 0 जो आपका होती है R20 Y00 एंड 2 1 0 आपका जो होती है R21 Y10 एंड एक्स कैप जो आपका होती है R sin थीटा cos phi. So 210 x कैप 200 इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन psi 210 स्टार x कैप psi 210 dq बार इक्वल टू जो आपका होगा R21 Y10 स्टार और साइन थीटा cos phi R20 Y00 R स्क्वायर साइन थीटा d थीटा d phi dr एंड Y10 जो आपका होती है 3 by 4 pi cos थीटा एंड Y00 जो आपको होती है √1 by 4 pi. सो इंटीग्रेशन Y10 स्टार साइन थीटा cos phi Y00 साइन थीटा d थीटा d phi, ये जो आपका होगा इस तरह से होगा. एंड वी हैव इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन अंडर 3 by 4 pi cos थीटा साइन थीटा cos phi √1 by 4 pi sin theta d phi. This is √3 by 16 pi square integration cos theta tan square theta cos phi d theta d phi equal to 0 to 2 pi cos phi d phi equal to 0. So option A is correct. The given figure sum of the charges and their coordinate is given by the electric potential at the far away from the distance. So P equal to the dipole moment summation Qi xi. So P equal to Qd x cap 2y cap. So phi equal to P vector dot r vector 4 pi epsilon naught rq. Phi equal to Qd x cap divided 2y cap into r vector divided 4 pi epsilon naught r cube equal to x cap divided 2y cap dot r vector equal to x plus 2y. So phi equal to Qd x plus 2y divided 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. So phi equal to Qd r x cap plus 2r y cap divided 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. So option A is correct. Now question number 3. Question number 3 जो आपका given है, consider a mass from the ceiling of the total length of the L given of an initial strain completely warped to the around of the solid angle of the solid uniform disc of the radius r less than L mass of the release moment. Then we have, so F net equal to f net equal to mg minus t, and f net equal to ma. So mg minus t equal to ma, and tau equal to tension into radius. This is tension, this is radius of disc, and tau equal to I into alpha, where I equal to 1 by 2 m r square, and t into r equal to 1 by 2 m r square into alpha, and a equal to r into alpha. So alpha equal to a by r. So t into r equal to 1 by 2 m r square a by r. So t equal to 1 by 2 ma. Now we have mg minus 1 by 2 ma equal to ma, and a equal to 2 by 3 into g. So v equal to a into t. So v equal to minus 2 by 3 into gt into y cap. For the negative direction, this is minus sign. So this option is correct. Now question number 4. The potential well 0 to L आपका given है. So operator O cap in the state. So psi 1 जो आपका given है root under 2 by L sin of pi x by L, x belong to 0 comma L, and p cap minus I h cap d upon dx. So O cap equal to x cap p cap plus p cap x cap. So O cap equal to 0 to L psi 1 star x cap p cap plus p cap x cap psi of x dx, and O cap equal to xp plus px, which can be written as xp minus I h cap. This is 2xp minus x comma p. This can be written as. So we have this. Now we have x p cap equal to 0 to L psi 1 star x cap p cap psi 1 of x dx. So x cap p cap equal to minus I h cap 0 to L psi 1 star of x d by dx psi 1 of x dx. So this is x cap p cap equal to minus I by h cap integration 0 to L. This is 2 pi by L square x into sine of pi x by L cos of pi x by L dx. So x p cap equal to minus I h cap pi by L square 0 to L x sine of 2 pi x by L dx. So x cap p cap equal to 0. So operator operate on is 2 into 0 minus I h cap. So this is minus I h cap answer. Now question number 5. Consider the end of 2D plane start from the origin at a given state. It is the either move one unit along positive x-axis, probability 1/2, and another along positive y-axis, and then n step Rn, then they determine the n square average. So p plus x equal to 1 by 2, p plus y equal to 1 by 2, and s approximately nc 1 by 2 to the power n, 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2, and y equal to nc 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to the power n, 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2. So Rn equal to x comma y. So Rn whole square equal to x square plus y square. So x square plus y square equal to x square plus average of y square. So x equal to n into p. So x square equal to np 1 minus p plus np whole square, and average x equal to n by 2. So average x square equal to n by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to plus n by 2 whole square equal to n by 4 plus n square by 4. Similarly, average y square equal to n by 4 plus n square by 4. So Rn whole square equal to x square plus y square equal to n by 2 plus n square by 2 equal to 1 by 2 n into n plus 1. This is the answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 to after given m. Question number 6. Consider a quantum particle of mass m in the infinite one-dimensional potential with length L, A and B. This is the particle of the ground state with an energy Eg. B suddenly shifted to the B, AB length through L. Then the obtained by the E1 probability of the E1 not equal to EB. So psi g equal to root under 2 by L sin of pi x by L. X belongs to 0, L. And Eg equal to pi square h square divided 2m L square. And psi n equal to root under 1 by L sin of n pi x divided 2L. X belongs to 0, 2L. So En equal to n square pi square h square divided 8m L square. This is 12. So psi g of x equal to summation Cn psi of n, and Cn equal to 0 to 2L psi g of x psi n of x dx. So P of E1 equal to mod Cn whole square. So psi 1 of x equal to 1 by L sin of pi x by 2L. So C1 equal to 0 to 2L psi g of x psi 1 of x dx. So we have 0 to 2L root under 2 pi L sin of pi x by L, 1 by root under L sin of pi x by 2L dx. So C1 equal to 2 by L 0 to 2L sin of pi x by L sin of pi x by 2L dx. So C1 equal to 0. So probability C1, so probability of E1 equal to mod C1 whole square equal to 0. So probability of E1 not equal to Eg equal to 1 minus P of E1 equal to 1 minus 0 equal to 1. This is the option is correct. Question number 7. Question number 7 job given a VA job given a ball dropped from the floor of the height h, bounced up to the h by 4, bounce an identical ball A and B dropped from the together, shown in h. How high does the ball be bounced to the assume to the coefficient of the so VA equal to root under 2gh and VA prime equal to root under 2gh by 4 equal to root under gh by 2. So eccentricity equal to VA prime divided VA equal to 1 by 2, and VA equal to VB equal to root under 2gh, and VA prime equal to EVA equal to 1 by 2 root under 2gh equal to root under gh by 2. So MVA prime plus MVB prime equal to MVA prime plus MVB prime equal to 1 by 2m VA prime whole square plus 1 by 2m VB prime whole square equal to 1 by 2m VA prime whole square plus 1 by 2m VB prime whole square. So VA double prime equal to VB prime and VB double prime equal to VB prime VA prime. So VB double prime equal to under 2gh gh by 2. So HB equal to VB double prime whole square divided 2g root under gh by 2 whole square divided 2g equal to h by 4. This is the answer. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Consider spherical radius r 6400 km, density rho per various आपका given है, distance of the planet tunneling from through the center, escape from the mason to the planet surface, escape found to the 11.2 km per second, distance 3200 km from the center, 12.7 km per second, escape from the center of the planet. So rho of r जो आपका given है kr, so m of r equal to integration 0 to r rho of r prime 4 prime r prime whole square dr prime. Rho of r prime equal to kr prime. So m of r equal to pi kr to the power 4. Phi of r equal to minus g m of r divided r. And m of r equal to pi kr to the power 4. And phi of r equal to minus g pi kr to the power 4 divided r equal to minus g pi kr cube. Now we have the equation, the energy conservation on by V square of r, V square r plus phi of r equal to 0. So phi of r equal to minus g pi kr square. So 1 by 2 v square of r minus g pi k r equal to 0. So VE of r equal to root under 2g pi kr cube. So VE of r various r to the power 3 by 2. So VE of r, VE of capital R equal to r by capital R to the power 3 by 2 equal to 3200 divided 6400 to the power 3 by 2 equal to 0.3535. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So question number 9. Question number 9. There are uniform electric field E of Ex cap between the parallel plate of the capacitor or given plate placed of the magnetic field Vz cap region. Charge of the particle of the capacitor through the small aperture exit on the small a prime other end. Then we have the given y. So we have B equal to Vz cap. So F E equal to plus Q E vector equal to Q E x cap, and A B equal to Q V cross B, and Q E equal to Q V y B. So V y equal to E by B. So Q V B equal to M V square by R equal to M V divided Q V. So R equal to M V divided Q V equal to M E by B divided Q V, because V equal to E by B. So M E divided Q V square. So 2R equal to minus 2M E divided 2B square. X cap. This is D for negative x direction. This is the answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 जो आपका गिवन है, जो लैम्डा जो आपका गिवन होगा एच बाई पी एंड ई इक्वल टू जो आपका गिवन है पी स्क्वायर बाई 2m. सो पी जो आपका गिवन है रूट अंडर 2m. सो पी जो आपका रूट अंडर 2 into 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 0.5 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So lambda equal to 5.48 into 10 to the power minus 10. 5.4 into 10 to the power 48 into minus 10 atha meter. So delta y equal to lambda L divided D. 5.48 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 20 divided 10 into 10 to the power minus 6. So delta y equal to 3.469 millimeter. So क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 जो आपका गिवन है ई जेड जो आपका सोल्यूशन जो आपका गिवन है आर एंड टी, ये जो आपका गिवन है ए साइन ऑफ पाई एक्स बाई ए and sine of pi y by a e to the power minus I kz minus omega t. So Laplacian Ez mine equal to 1 by c square del square e divided del t square. So we have k equal to, we operate the derivative, we have minus pi square a square minus pi square a square minus k square Ez equal to minus 2 pi square a square plus k square into Ez equal to minus 2 pi square a square plus k square Ez equal to minus omega c square Ez. So k equal to root under omega square c square minus 2 pi square a square. This option is correct. Question number 12. Question number 12 जो आपका गिवन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 जो आपका गिवन है डी क्यूब वाई डिवाइडेड डी एक्स क्यूब प्लस के क्यूब वाई इक्वल टू 0. सो आर क्यूब प्लस के क्यूब इक्वल टू 0. सो आर प्लस के माइनस आर क्यूब माइनस आर के प्लस के स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. सो आर इक्वल टू माइनस के एंड आर इक्वल टू के बाई 2 प्लस 1 रूट अंडर 3 by 2 के आई. So R1 equal to minus k, R2 equal to k by 2 plus root 3 by 2 ki and R3 equal to k by 2 minus root 3 by 2 ki. So y equal to c1 e to the power minus kx plus e to the power kx by 2 a cos of root 3 by 2 kx plus b of sine of root 3 by 2 kx. This is the answer. Question number 13. Question number 13 जो आपका गिवन है. Question number 13 जो लैम्डा पीक जो आपका गिवन होगा, लैम्डा पीक इक्वल टू बी बाई टी इक्वल टू 2.89 इंटू 10 to the power minus 3 divided 270 इक्वल टू 10.73 माइक्रोमीटर and E equal to AC by lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided 10.73 into 10 to the power minus 6. So E जो आपका आएगा 0.12 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. दिस इज द ऑप्शन करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 आपका कंट्रोल कलेक्टर एमिटर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एनपीएन ट्रांजिस्टर आपका गिवन है. In the figure below, circuit right now LED voltage 1 volt. Then this is the given. So IC equal to beta IB and IB equal to IC by beta equal to 220 milliampere divided 100 equal to 0.2 milliampere. So VIN equal to IB RB plus VB equal to RB equal to VIN minus VBE divided IB equal to 1 minus 0.7 divided 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal to 0.3. 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal to 1500 ohm. So 1.5 kilo ohm. This is the option correct approximately. Now question number 15. Question number 15 जो का given है. So क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 का जो रिलेशन होती है वी अप आर फॉर इक्विथॉर वाइडियल थ्योरम, वी अप आर इक्वल टू 2 by n ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी वेयर वी वेरियस आर टू द पावर n. दिस इज द रिलेशन. सो काइनेटिक एनर्जी जो आपका गिवन है 3 by 2 kT. सो वी अप आर जो आपका होगा 2 by 3 इंटू 3 by 2 kT. सो kT आंसर. दिस इज ऑप्शन करेक्ट. Now for PhD portion, this is the PhD section. PhD सेक्शन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके PhD सेक्शन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे डिस्कस करेंगे. सो थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट एक वीडियो अब मैं बनाऊंगा, उसका PhD सेक्शन में डिस्कस कर दूंगा. थैंक यू. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब, लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए मैं आपका सारा डिस्कशन आपका डिस्कस कर दूंगा। ओके।